Get ready to blend your way to delicious smoothies, soups, and more with the best 5 blenders available on Amazon. From high-end professional-grade blenders to budget-friendly options, our top picks offer a range of features to meet your blending needs. Each blender has been selected based on customer reviews, performance, and value for money. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or a culinary expert, we've got you covered. Watch our video and discover the best blenders available on Amazon. KitchenAid K400 Blender. The KitchenAid K400 Blender is a sleek and stylish option with a powerful motor and 5-speed settings. It features a 56-ounce container and comes in a range of colors to match any kitchen decor. Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. The Blendtec Total Classic is a high-end blender with a powerful motor and pre-programmed settings for smoothies, soups, and more. It also comes with a large 75-ounce container and a tamper for tough ingredients. Oster Blender. The Oster Blender is another affordable option with a powerful motor and stainless steel blades. It comes with a 64-ounce container and a range of settings, including smoothie, soup, and dip. Ninja Professional Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender is a versatile and powerful blender that won't break the bank. It has a 72-ounce container and a powerful motor, making it perfect for blending large batches. Vitamix 5300 Blender. The Vitamix 5300 is a high-end blender that can handle tough ingredients with ease. It features a powerful motor, stainless steel blades, and a large 64-ounce container. Perfect for making smoothies, soups, and more.